Hi students, welcome to Hindi Pathshala online. In today's video, we are doing Rashtrabhasha paper 2, question number 3, which is for 10 marks on Niban. Stay with me till the end and attend the revision test so that you can understand how much you have learned. Okay, let's begin. Stri Shiksha. Stri means women. Shiksha, education. Stri Shiksha means women education. कुछ लोग पुराने विचार के होते हैं. कुछ लोग, few people. पुराने means old. विचार, thoughts. Some people are of old thoughts. वे स्त्रियों को शिक्षा देना पाप मानते हैं. वे स्त्रियों means they think that women को शिक्षा देना is giving. Giving education to women is a punishment. They consider giving, मानते हैं means consider, they consider giving education to women is a punishment. ऐसे ही लोगों के कारण हमारा भारत पिछड़ गया है. ऐसे ही लोग, people like this, ऐसे ही लोग, people like this के कारण, because of people like this, हमारा भारत, our country, our India पिछड़ गया है, has become backward. पिछड़ गया है means backward, become गया है. Okay, so because of this, because of like this people, our country India has become backward. माता ही बच्चे का पहला अध्यापक होती है. अध्यापक is teacher. माता, mother is the only first teacher. पहला, first teacher of the child. Okay, mother is the first teacher of the child. वह अनपढ़ रहेगी. If she is illiterate, वह अनपढ़ रहेगी means illiterate. If she is illiterate, तो बच्चे का, then the child विकास, development कैसे होगा? Then how will the child develop? तो बच्चे का विकास कैसे होगा? बच्चा जब स्कूल जाता है, बच्चा, child, when goes to school, बच्चा जब, when child goes to school, स्कूल जाता है तब, then मूंछों वाले means moustache, a person with a moustache, सख्त, strict, अध्यापकों को देखकर डर जाता है. So they're saying is when child goes to school, seeing the strict teachers, we are talking about male teachers, अध्यापकों की male teachers को देखकर, moustache, full moustache, strict teachers, seeing them, he gets scared, डर जाता है. यदि वहाँ, if there is नरम स्वभाव, soft natured, अध्यापिकाएं होंगी, female teachers will be there. If there would be soft natured female teachers, तो बच्चा अच्छा पढ़ेगा. Then the child will study well. Okay. Next paragraph. घर में बड़े लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं. घर में बड़े लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं. बड़े लोग means we are talking about elderly people. In the house, elderly people get sick. बीमार पड़ते हैं means become sick or get sick. उनकी सेवा, their service, सुशिक्षित स्त्री ही करती है. तो सुशिक्षित means a literate female. A literate lady can only give service or take care of them. अनपढ़ स्त्री, illiterate women, गलत दवा दे देती, gives wrong medicine. गलत is wrong. दे देती means gives wrong medicine. तो उनका अनिष्ट हो जाएगा. Then the condition will become more worse. Then the situation will be more worse. Okay, so what they are saying that if a woman is educated, she will be able to give correct medicine to the elderly people. आजकल चीजें महंगी हैं. आजकल nowadays things have become expensive. Okay, next let's see the next paragraph. स्त्री पुरुष दोनों नौकरी करेंगे. Men and women both work together. दोनों नौकरी करेंगे, both work. तो परिवार का निर्वाह. Then the nirvah means running the family. Parivar is family. Running the family will be easy. Then the running of the family will be easy if men and women both work. Okay. संसार के कई देश, in the world, many countries. संसार के कई देश means many countries in the world आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, have moved forward, आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, have moved forward or grown forward. इसका एकमात्र कारण, the only reason, एकमात्र means the only reason, कारण, reason for this, वहां स्त्रियां भी काम करती हैं, there women also work. The only reason they are saying is that women also work. Okay, third paragraph. आजकल, nowadays, पूरे भारत की सारी स्त्रियां स्कूल जा रही हैं. All women in the country, India, are going to school. So nowadays, all the women are going to school. 50 साल के पहले, 50 years before, earlier, पहले भी earlier, और ago you can say, जो हाल था, 50 years ago, the situation was, आज बदल गया है, today it has changed. Okay. स्त्री शिक्षा के कारण, women education, because of women education, भारत का विकास हुआ है, India has developed. Okay, so here we finish the paragraph. Now let's go to the revision test. And before starting the revision test, students, go through the paragraph thoroughly, keep the points in mind, understand the meanings of the word. I have told each word meaning, so then only you start the test. Okay, you can pause the video, answer yourself, and then check the answer. Okay, so let's begin. कुछ लोग डैश विचार के होते हैं और वह स्त्रियों को शिक्षा देना डैश मानते हैं. तो कुछ लोग पुराने विचार के होते हैं और स्त्रियों को शिक्षा देना पाप मानते हैं. ओके ओके, यदि वह डैश रहेगी तो बच्चे का डैश कैसे होगा. यदि वह, इफ शी इज अनपढ़ रहेगी तो बच्चे का विकास कैसे होगा. यदि वहां डैश स्वभाव की अध्यापिकाएं होंगी तो बच्चा डैश पढ़ेगा. यदि वहां नरम स्वभाव की अध्यापिकाएं होंगी तो बच्चा अच्छा पढ़ेगा. Hope you're liking the test, student. Please subscribe this channel. I have designed this question paper like this so that you become thorough with all the points one by one. And then go and watch the second part of the video also. The link will be shared in the description. And attend all the revision tests. Pause the video, give time to yourself. Okay, answer the question. And after completing this, you can write this article, this niband on a piece of paper, and then again you can check. Okay, so if you want more videos like this, children, please subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends and classmates so that they also benefit from this. Okay, let's continue. अनपढ़ स्त्री डैश दवा दे देती है तो उनका डैश ही होगा. तो अनपढ़ स्त्री गलत दवा दे देती है तो उनका अनिष्ट ही होगा. नेक्स्ट वन, संसार के कई देश डैश बढ़ चुके हैं. इसका कारण है कि वहां डैश भी काम करती है. संसार के कई देश आगे बढ़ चुके हैं. इसका कारण है कि वहां स्त्रियां भी काम करती हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, 50 साल के पहले जो हाल था वह आज डैश गया है. वह आज बदल गया है. Okay, students, I hope you got all the answers correct. So if you've got one wrong, no problem, still it is good. But if you've got more than one wrong, please go back to the Niband section. Again, listen to the video again and try to keep the points in mind. Attempt this test, attempt this question, and then you can write the Niband on a piece of paper and test yourself. Okay, and do not forget the second part of this video. The link will be shared in the description. That there I am going to be more specific to the points. So then if you watch this video and then go and watch to that video thoroughly, you will learn this paragraph. And thank you, students. Bye.